Hi, we're team number 2. Our app name is 3rd Wheel. The following members are Jaemin, Hwayoung, Sangmin, Sharankofor. Before I talk about the app, I want to talk about the background of the other app and why did we create this app. As you know, there are many applications for car rental and purchases. For example, there are app names like Evo and Car2Go, which can rent a car. And there is also Turo app, which is emerging today. It applies the Airbnb concept to a car. And there's also car rental services, app name like Enterprise and Independent. And there's other features that helps like car selling services. But we thought, how about create an app which manage all of these functions? That's why we create a 3rd Wheel. A 3rd Wheel is a car rental and selling app, it allowing users to both rent or buy an available car as well as allowing them to rent out or selling their car. It acts as a hub for both car owners and users to be more personal in using their car. These are the features that will be present later on for this video. There's a page for rent and buy a car, sell the car, and manage an account. Let's get to our demonstration part.
Hi, this is Jimin Shin, and I'm one of the member in Third Wheel app project, and I was going to introduce the features that I did. So first of all, the login page and the register page. So as you can see, the landing page is a login page. So it's connected with the Firebase authentication and also Firebase real-time database. So first of all, I will create new users. So let's say test 12, no, maybe 123 at test.com. And if you have, I already implemented validation as well. So if you're not put any type inside and then register, it comes with a password is required. And also password is not matched, and then it shows another features for password must be matched. Please double check, something like that. And also some length validation as well. So longer than 6 characters. Yeah. So there is quick short validation, and when I try to make this register and then test 1 to 3, and then it directs you to the our rent page. So as you can see here, I will refresh it, and then you can see here 1 to 3 December 5th it just created on our authentication in Firebase. And also when you go to profile, and then you can see the 1 to 3, but still we don't have the information of the phone number or gender or driver license or something like other features. So I will do later, and then I will try one more time with a login with the same account, test.com. So for my typo, password, I know this is a ridiculous password, but okay, oh, maybe so the wrong password. When you did it, yeah, user logged in. So, and also you can see here authentication, and also it comes with a real-time database automatically created by the user ID. So let's see. So for other features, so when you see here, so test 1 to 3 test is created by user collection, and the it is the same uh, user UID with this one as a unique ID. It is matched with this UUID. Yeah, this is first part of my feature. I will explain other features later. Thank you.
I'm Hayoung Choi. I'm gonna explain the rental activity part. This is the rental activity page, which is the first page of our third wheel app. Before demonstrate the application, let me explain the Firebase database first. This is our Firebase database page. As you can see, there is a car database, and the first car, the Benz, is displayed in app. The car image is stored in the Firebase toolkit and is loaded using the URL. Let's demonstrate the application. For the concept of showing the car list, we refer to the Tinder app. It means user can swipe to the right if they like the car, like this, and user can swipe to the left if they don't like it. If user swipe by mistake, user can cancel it by using this rewind button. The car which is swiped to the right by user is saved in my list. Let me save the car list. And the detail of the car user can check here. This is the my list page. User can check the detailed description of the car and information as well here.
Alright, this is the host page when the host can view the available posts that they have. They can filter it better whether they want to see which post they want to see, and this post is displaying their car availability. And to view the car, you switch this, and there they have car information. Clicking on this allows them to go to their car details, but it's still work in progress and not enough time basically. Same goes with the posting, and they can also remove posts if they want through here. Additionally, they can add a car to introduce a new car to the system, things like that, and they can also choose to add a photo using a camera or select from gallery. But again, with the database, it's still work in progress, haven't been implemented completely yet. Similarly, there's a create car posting in which they have to choose which car this posting is about, whether it's for rent or for sale, the price of this rental or sale depending, and they have to select which the date in which the post is available and at which time it becomes not available anymore. And there's a limited range in this, in that there's it makes sure that end date is not before start date and things like that.
Okay, for this time, I will introduce a UI part of the profile and little functionality with profile. So let's click the profile. It'll go to a profile right here. It'll be user pictures here, user first name and last name, user location, and user. And there'll be a tab layout with the info, trip, and billing. And you can add it with the information here, which will be discussed by our team member Jamin. And then it'll update in Firebase. I'll talk about a little more on the trip here. So if the user the trip function tells you how many trips the user has made. So this user drive Porsche, distance 53 kilometer, and the services he used was car sharing in the city of Vancouver. And they'll be showing as a list recycle view function. And then the billing part right here. And that's pretty much it for the user profile.
Hi, this is Jimin Shin back, and I want to demonstrate about some user features more. So as we saw, there's a test 123.test at test.com. This is we created as like authentication, and also the user have that field, but we still do need some other fields for requirements for the user. So when your user click this button, and then you can see the extra field. So I go with the Ivan one for our instructor, and then I will say 35. Yeah, why not, right? And then 45 and male, and let's see, and then user. So you can see we have a two switch for user or host. So if you are just a regular user, you can click this one, and then when you submit it, and yeah, you can see here, so age, driver license, and first name, last name, gender, phone number is added. So when you see here also is changed a little bit twisted, but for now just demonstrate one. So and also trip, this thing is comes with other feature from other members. Thank you.
Okay, let's get started with this map function of this app. So if I click map button here, it'll show the location of the car. But let's start with this. It'll ask you user permission to get a current location, but I already saved the user current location here, so in this case it doesn't ask the user permission. But when you start this app first, it'll ask user permission. After you get the user permission, it'll show the current location of the user right now, which here I am right here, and then there will be a pin location with car information. Okay, so let's say if I want to search for let's search Porsche this time. Porsche, if I search it, it'll zoom in that location and Porsche right there. And let's say if I want to find the card Jeep, it'll go to that location. Jeep, pretty cool. And I can also zoom in more and zoom out a little bit more. And that's the map function of this app. And if I want to go back to the list, I can just simply press this button and I'll go back to the card view.
So that will be all, and for our demonstration is done, and thanks for watching, and then hope you safe, and yeah, see you next semester hopefully. Thank you. Have a good day.